Hey?
Phone number where it was on?
Oh yeah, on the back, yeah. It's a nice looking boat, but holy crap. Oh yeah, hull number 608.
And that's the camshaft. I can feel a little wiggle in the camshaft.
Like we really should be able to grab on the crankshaft. Both going the same way. I'll get it there. I think it is a page. I don't know. Well, you know what? Turning on that because the slip part is in here. So we're not doing nothing. You just try and turn the winch. Fuck, a little too small. Don't want to pull too hard.
Or a 548, I'm not sure. 176 though, I'm pretty sure.
Got a picture of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the unknown Russell tug. For sale. We're checking her over. See if we can buy her. Pretty intact. Needs work obviously, but still got the winch in it. Hull number 608, built 1946. Owen Sound, Russel Brothers. Limited. Gearbox. Can't see in the valve, nothing in there.
I got a fucking 3 quick pipe wrench at home.
Oh, that one probably won't fit.
I don't know.
I love down there. There's. We're out on Lake of the Woods, Kenora. So we ended up buying the boat. This is our boat now. We're trying to get this wheel off. Trying to get that keyway out of there. It's not easy. That was a 37-foot Russel logging tug. Built 1946. Got some old stuff on her. We got the motor to turn a little bit, so it should be good. We're going to have to take the cabin off to move it. Just a matter of breaking all these nuts off all the way around, lifting her up, taking the exhaust off, and then it should be low enough on the flatbed. The big deal is going to be able to get the flatbed in here and out. I'm going to have to wait till spring, obviously, when things dry out. Got the old winch in here. We don't know if it's going to work or not. If it doesn't, we'll just take it out. Big cable. Used to be, I believe, 9/16 cable, half a mile of it, or maybe a mile, I can't remember. Lots of room in the bow. Got the gear case for the winch. Back to the engine. Hull seems to be in pretty good condition. And a nice brass throttle. And here comes the new owner. Alright, after like an hour of chipping and banging, and we finally got this keyway out. You can see it's tapered. Okay, give the wheel some spins there, Matt. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. There we go. The wheel is ours.